The market's got some decent sideways progressive movement going on here, but we've got 4 minutes left on the current bar, and the most recent close to open is gapping up. So we've got a couple things suggesting that the market may be running into some problems trying to get a continuation up, and may make more sense to try to grab a dip in the downside. So I'm looking for a dip down to 15 for a continuation scalp back to the upside off of that 15 to see if we can rotate back up towards, at least back up to 16 for a quick point, if not a little bit further here. See if we can get this push down and get the fill. There we go, swept in and brought in for the continuation scalp to the upside off of 15. So again, if it just immediately snaps up and takes a rip up into the 16s, then I'll take the scalp. But if it is going to spend a little bit of time here and bury itself into a slightly better zone of support, like down in the 1275s, then we may be able to offer up a slightly different modified move towards the upside. And that would extend our targets out to 1750 for a bit more than a point. We'll see what the S&P is going to let us have here. We're starting to get some pressure back up. It doesn't look like it's going to give it to me. Testing the target, didn't get a fill. It's got to fill the target. It tested it, but I did not get a fill. Okay, they're playing ball vindictive today. Can we get a fill or something here? Come on now. There we go, and finally swept out on the target. All right, well, I tried to grab the dip for a better entry to grab more than just a point, but hey, a point a day keeps the job away, and that is good enough. The J.O.B, nobody wants to deal with that. Nice little bounce back to the upside for scalpers to continue higher.